Close your eyes for 1 second and picture a hidden city inside the pelvis, alleyways of nose, secret chambers, and one tiny, glowing lighthouse. The clitoris. People call it a nub, a button, even a myth. But here's the real story. The clitoris is a whole organ, mostly tucked inside the body, with roots, wings, and a crown. It speaks in electric whisper. It is often the fastest route to orgasm for many people. Now imagine an old campus legend. They say there was a student who found a silver coin in her pocket and, by accident, traced something she'd never really looked at before. That night, she discovered a new map of her body. The rumor grew into a myth. The coin opens the clitoris. Ridiculous? Maybe. But the kernel of truth is this. Curiosity opens doors. Scientific curiosity, self-curiosity, playful exploration. That's what tonight is about. Let's be practical. First, the clitoral basics. The visible tip is only the tip of the iceberg. Under the hood, there is a glans, internal bulbs that hug the vaginal wall, and long crura that run along the pubic bones. Together, they make the clitoral complex. Because of that anatomy, clitoral stimulation can feel external and internal at once. For many people, orgasm comes from direct clitoral input. For others, sensations come from stimulating the front vaginal wall. The so-called G-spot, which may be part of that same clitoral network or the urethral sponge. Science still debates the exact label, but the takeaway is simple. Multiple routes can lead to climax, and they often overlap. Try this 3-part experiment. Number 1, the mat exercise. Sit or lie down where you feel safe. Use a mirror if it helps. Take 2 minutes to explore the outer area with a lubricated finger or a small toy. Gentle pressure. Slow circles around the hood, then the gland. Notice differences. Pressure, rhythm, location, mark them in your head or on a notepad. You are making a map. Number 2, the inside-out combo. When you feel warmed, try internal exploration with slow, shallow motion aimed at the front wall. Think toward the belly button. Not deep thrust. Combine that with external light pressure on the clitoral hood. Add a simple pelvic floor contraction. Between touches, little squeezes like holding a secret. These muscle pulses can amplify sensation and sometimes change the quality of the orgasm from sharp to full body. Number 3, the rhythm switch. Try steady, steady, and switch to quick burst. To try firm pressure and feather light. Many people discover that what works is not constant intensity, but change. Contrast lifts at more nerve. Use lubricant, relax breathing. Use a vibrator if you like. Record what feels different. Now the myth. Vaginal orgasms are not magic tricks hidden in folklore. They are real for some and mixed up with clitoral stimulation for others. There isn't one correct way. Orgasm can be a focused spark or a slow tidal wave. Culture gives us stories that make people feel broken if their path is different. That's the real urban legend, that there is a single right map. A final tip from the old library of whispers: slow down long enough to notice the difference between pressure and pain, between wanting and needing communication with a partner, where honest time alone matters more than perfect technique. Consent, cleanliness, and comfort are your compass. So go ahead, be your own cartographer. Explore, note, experiment. Keep the myth-making playful, the science curious, and the consent clear. There's a whole city waiting in there. You deserve to learn its street.